We are back again today, strengthening our partnership with the IT Varsity. This time the IT Varsity has brought to us the TIC AI, which is a baby of the TIC IT company. They are coming all the way from Cape Town. We're here at the Valley Trust. They have come to actually give our youth here, the one from from the local community and the one from our program, more knowledge and just to create more awareness about AI, which is artificial intelligence, in conjunction with what we do currently.
Today we're here with IT Varsity and Valley Trust giving an introductory workshop on machine learning, artificial intelligence and the fourth industrial revolution, because we think it's very important to expose our youth from whatever background to what the world is going through. We want Africans to create solutions for Africa, because for a very long time a lot of solutions and advancements in technology have been very far from us, and we feel that if the youth knows what's out there, what's possible, what the rest of the world is doing, they can innovate and come up with solutions that can help and improve their direct communities.
We are really fortunate today to have Iman and Thapelo from TIC AI to come and talk to our students and share the experiences in artificial intelligence. I mean, it's really surreal when you think about it. We're right here in rural KZN. If you look around you, it's just rural, there's just mountains. And in the middle of all this, we've got a group of kids who are learning to become world-class app developers. And now, layered on top of that, they're getting workshops on artificial intelligence from people like Iman and Thapelo, who are actively involved in the field of artificial intelligence themselves. It's really quite amazing, and I'm really proud of our students in the way that they are grasping the concepts, they're approaching it with so much of enthusiasm. And what's really great and what's really inspiring is that the students are really into it. They're not intimidated by it, they're not holding back. They're totally into learning about new things, especially artificial intelligence.
We are here today as TIC AI at Valley Trust. We've been invited by the Valley Trust and IT Varsity to come and inspire the youth to actually motivate them in being the best version of themselves, to share with them entrepreneurial life lessons we've learned, and more so to give them insights into the fourth industrial revolution, because oftentimes it's a big buzzword that we've had and nobody really knows what it's about. So this for us is an opportunity to share and impart knowledge with the learners, and also to teach them that actually you can use the problems or the challenges or the gaps within your communities to build solutions. So it is African solutions to African problems.
As IT Varsity, I'm really grateful to Iman and Thapelo for taking the trouble. I mean, these are extremely busy people. I'm grateful for them. I'm grateful to them for taking the trouble to fly all the way from Cape Town just to be here with our students. I think that's going to go a long way with our students, not just in terms of the learning, but also in terms of the inspiration to see people that that are from ordinary backgrounds, who have gone into the world, who have faced tremendous odds, but have made it for themselves and are now plowing back into the community. I think that's far more powerful, because that is a source of massive inspiration to our students.
We are saying as a youth, thank you Valley Trust, thank you IT Varsity for organizing us this presentation. I will make sure we prep it with our both hands, and we will do our best to use it in the future.